morning! Hey! Hi guys! How are you today? It's a beautiful day today and I hope you had a fantastic and beautiful day, like what I'm saying. So yeah, me and my friend Cheryl and her mom, we were going to the gym. Balik Alindog program. Alam nyo na, malapit ng summer. Charot. And my friends are coming over today here in my house. And we were going to have some salo-salo, you know, kain-kain, alam nyo na. After mag-gym, kakain yan. Ganun talaga yan. Ano ka ba? Nag-gym pa, diba? Cheryl is going to help me cook some Filipino food. And it's dishes. And I'm so excited. You know, bakit hindi? Alam nyo guys, kasi dito sa Amerika, you know, you need to have friends para may katulong kang magluto. May katulungan kumain kasi, diba? Ayaw mo naman kumain mag-isa. Diba napaka-lonely nun? Tapos ang isda ako lang kakain. My husband, he eats seafoods but he's very particular like salmon, o diba? Social. Eh ang asawa, bangus, o diba? Gym first and after that, we were heading to maybe get some lamas. Sa English sa lamas. We're getting some spices like gulay, you know, vegetables para healthy, alam mo naman day. Kailangan gulay para sa makulay na buhay. Yeah. What else? So, yeah. At saka baka mag-inom kami, you know, walwal. Charot. So, yes, I'm just waiting for them and I'm heading out. So, I'll see ya. And we're here. Mommy is going to do gym today.
Gym.
Yes, so mag-walking lang siya.
What's inside my bag?
Bakit isa lang?
Okay. Did you say two?
Yeah. And look at what we got. We have a margarita. So, alam nyo na, walwal, diba? So, mag-gym muna kami ha. Tapos, chika na tayo ulit mamaya. Diba? Sige, let's go. Ang outfit, ganun. Ay! Kakapi pa magpa-sexy. Uy! Hago kayo magpa-sexy, diba friend? Kumusang selfie diha. Tita, kapoy ka? We're just done with our gym and now we're heading to, I think we're getting some coffee. I think we're going to Starbucks. So Tita can have
of Starbucks.
So Tita can have her sandwich. Let's go. And we are here at Starbucks kasi we're social. I got me a green tea latte. So lakas makasosyal. Takig man kay ni uy. Kasi mo friend,
Iced coffee. Wow.
Coffee nga may ice. Ikaw mother, tubig lang ka ha?
Water.
Ay, water lang siya. Water with lemon. Kalami, ani uy, lakas makadato.
After mag-gym, 500 calories nga Starbucks. Igo-igo siya.
This is my favorite drink from Starbucks. And red hibiscus. Saba, Janen.
Hibiscus. Ha? Spell hibiscus.
Grabe, sagka. Uy, joke raman tong ako, Hago kay ka friend, every time nga ako ingon nga English, magpa-spelling ka, unsa ka? So siya, spelling quiz?
Teacher.
So mo adto mi og kuan, we're going to farmers market sa palengke. So siya lang palengke diri kay naka-aircon man. So ang tawag, farmers market. Kay mamalingke mi og gulay, vegetables. Kay, you know, nagikabay may nag-gym, you know.
Wow.
Charot.
Kami balak mahimong kanding. Kaon ng mga green leafy vegetables. Ano man ang mga baka, bisagbot, may kinahang tambok.
Animal man na sila, friend, di ba ta? Animal, tao man siguro ta, no?
Kalain mo tao, na ka?
Dili, joke lang to siya po. Hindi nila sa ka mag-enter, friend, kay wala man kay klaro kay storya. Ano mo asa may pamalingke? Is our palengke.
I was losing my mind, told them I'm fine, wish I was so.
Wala siya palengke dire, unya ang meaning sa naam diamond. Charot lang, wala bitaw kabalo. Patakers, di ba sa mga ba pwede na mag-invento lang. We're here at our palengke. This is Nam Diamond and they have a lot of stuff here, strawberries. This is the place. We always come here when we get some bangus, fish, papaya, kamatis. So, diba? Dami talong. Nakuha po na nga talong friend. So yeah, this is Diamond. And we're gonna walk you around later. Yeah, this is our palengke. So, let's see what we're getting here. Hindi siya ang bok choy. Mahal kaayo. Hindi, ketchay. Dagko apa ni radish. Wait, this is radish. We're already here at my house and now we're cooking. Look at my yaya. So, dito sa bahay ko, pag nagluto ka, bawal ka mag-short. Kailangan meron kang ano? Uniform. So, Yaye, what did you cook? So, we're going to cook pork sinigang. So, yan. You know, kailangan ng sabaw. Pampagatas. And then we have... Friend, ang laki naman.
Reminds me of...
We're having a pampano and we're having a what is that? Clams ba yun? Is that clams? Yeah. And we're having a clams as well. And Tita is sleeping. She's tired. So, yeah. Got some veggies.
Baka nagpalit kung ano no, beans.
Walay beans. Wala man sa listahan.
Wala, pwede naman wala.
Yeah. So I'm so excited and my friends are coming over. You know. So, lutong Pinoy. Chef, what we have here?
Shrimp.
Oh. Siguro magprito na ko igisda. Kunya na.
Grabe mo contribution na magprito.
At least na ay contribution.
Grabe siya, contribution.
Diba? Ako ang balay, ako ang gasol, ako ang suga, ako pa'y magluto. Diba? Mali man na siya. Hello. So, prito lang ako ang mahatag. Oh, we're going to drink margarita. We're gonna have fun. You know? And you're gonna join us. I'm saying? So, yeah. Yes! My friends are here and I'm cutting mangoes. O, diba? Vlog kagad.
Wow!
Oh, ang akong businesswoman na friend.
Sa gate ba?
So, we're having a mango. As luma sa dani akong malay. We're still incomplete. Right, madam?
Sag na kay 1 week before yung party sa ubos.
Bayo takig na kayo. Mga oras sila friend kay murag nakakita na akong star. We're going to eat out here.
Ang lamig.
Diba? And it's cold. No, it's not even chilly. My despedida party.
Wow.
So we have mango. We have sa English sa sinigang bayot.
Sour soup.
So we have a sour soup. Sinigang godoy. We have
Paksiw.
what's the English of paksiw?
Sour fish.
We have a clams and shrimp. Madam, you can eat that. So yeah, we're going to eat now because I'm so hungry. Let's eat. Gutom kay mga ateng. Gutom kayo. Amen. Let's drink mango margarita made by Chef Ruth Su. Mango ram Rita. Sarap, madam. Inom ka, day. Hindi kumpleto ang kain na pag walang inuman. Hello. Diba? Our baby. Hey, where's that?
What's that?
Huh? Where's that? The rest of my friends are here. Oh, ako mga amiga. Nagbago na, hindi na uminom. Kita na itong vlog, Jo. Wala.
Bago na natong bagok sa
Ako mga amiga.
bagok sa kama gani.
Ganda, ha? Agok. So they're eating right now. And we're playing the baby. You see how she's a star. Who is that? Huh? Depislitize your face? Depislita, uy. This is your baby. Chika-changga, chika this baby. Kaya mo? Grabe. Ano mo ganyan? Ding, ding, ding. Oh, grabe. Sukuha po ni mo dayo eh. Ay, ding, 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 ding. Grabe po ni mo tulong may kabok ko. Sige, sige. Sige, sige, sige. Sige. She's so cute. Ay, manganak na pa. Diyos, kapirabuya. Dance, baby, dance. So all my friends were gone, and of course I'm the host. So I need to clean I need to clean our mess, of course. After eating, you need to clean. So yeah, as always, I had fun today, and now it's time for me to clean and rest. You know what I'm saying? I need to clean, and I think I need to stop talking. And thank you guys all so much for watching. And don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe sa mga ganap-ganap sa buhay ko. And what else? And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and let's be friends, cause why not? And I'll see you again on my next video. Bye!
I just wanna dance.